This question here, we have been given a diagram, and the diagram shows that there is a fixed mass of gas that is trapped inside a cylinder, and at the top of the cylinder there's a piston which can move up and down, and in the earlier part of the question that we're then told that there was a weight that had been added on the piston which would then apply a downwards force. We're now going to have a look at part D, and we're told in part D the weights are now removed so that the piston is no longer pushing down on the gas and the volume is not being decreased. Okay, so the weights have been removed. The gas, the same mass of gas, is still held in the container here, but there are no weights that are pushing down. However, what is happening is that the container is now being heated, so there is some heat source that is being used to raise the temperature of the cylinder, and more importantly the gas inside it. And the question says, describe the effect of the increased temperature on the behavior of the gas particles, and as you can see that there are 2 marks that are going on this. So we need to start off by talking about what the effect is of the increased temperature. So let's start off by saying that increasing the temperature, because this is what's happening to the gas here, causes the particles, because remember we're talking about the particles in the gas here, and it's useful to describe their movement. So increasing the temperature causes the particles to move faster. Okay, the particles will have more kinetic energy as a result of increasing the temperature. And we can now go on to say this means that there will be, thinking about the particle action, there will be more collisions, both one particle colliding with another and also particles colliding with the sides of the container.